Welcome back, dear viewers. It's JC Wealth Solution here, your guide through the intricacies of wealth creation. Today, our focus is on a financial realm that's both thrilling and daunting: Forex trading. I'm thrilled to have you with us on JC Wealth Solution, where we unravel the mysteries behind Forex trading, opportunities, and risks. Imagine a colossal global marketplace where over $6 trillion changes hands daily. That's the thrilling domain of Forex trading, a bustling arena where fortunes are made and risks are embraced. But hold on tight, this is not your ordinary financial journey. We're about to explore the highs and lows of the foreign exchange market. 1. The Forex landscape unveiled. Let's start by peeling back the layers of the Forex market. It's not merely about currencies changing hands. It's a dance influenced by geopolitical and economic factors. From the mighty USD, a symbol of economic prowess, to the resilient euro, each currency tells a story, and together, they create a global narrative that shapes the Forex landscape. We're here to decode these intricate tales. 2. Opportunities that await. Now, let's dive into the heart of the matter, the opportunities that await in the vast sea of Forex trading. This isn't just about buying and selling, it's about understanding how global events impact currency values. It's about leveraging these movements to your advantage, whether you're a seasoned trader or a newcomer testing the waters. We're here to guide you through the potential rewards and strategies to navigate this ever-evolving market. Have you ever pondered on how global events impact currency values? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's foster a community of knowledge. 3. Risk management strategies. Yet, where there's opportunity, there's always risk. In this segment, we're delving deep into risk management strategies. We'll explore the significance of setting stop-loss orders, understanding market volatility, and the art of preserving capital. Because in Forex, knowledge isn't just power, it's your shield against potential pitfalls. 4. Mindset matters. Did you know that a trader's mindset is a pivotal factor in their success? In this section, we'll explore the psychological aspects of trading, from maintaining composure during market fluctuations to fostering a resilient mentality. We've got your back. It's not just about charts and numbers, it's about mastering the mental game that is inherent in Forex trading. Interactive poll. What's your go-to strategy for maintaining a calm mindset during trades? Vote now, and let's build a community of support and shared wisdom. 1. Deep breathing techniques. 2. Regular breaks. 3. Positive affirmations. 4. Other, share in the comments. 5. Tools of the trade. Every craftsman needs the right tools, and in Forex trading, that means understanding the charts, utilizing technical analysis, and staying updated on economic indicators. We'll walk you through some essential tools that can make all the difference in your trading journey. 6. Learning from mistakes. Mistakes are inevitable, especially in the volatile world of Forex. In this section, we'll share common pitfalls to avoid and discuss how learning from mistakes can be a crucial part of your trading journey. Remember, it's not about never failing. It's about rising stronger every time you face a challenge. Interactive quiz. Fancy testing your Forex knowledge? Comment "Quiz me" below, and we'll send you a fun Forex quiz to challenge your understanding of the market. Conclusion. As we wrap up this journey into the intricate world of Forex trading, remember that with great opportunity comes great responsibility. The Forex market is a playground for the informed and a challenge for the uninformed. Stay tuned to JC Wealth Solution for more in-depth insights, practical tips, and proven strategies to navigate the world of finance. If you found today's video insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to JC Wealth Solution, and hit that notification bell. Share this video with fellow traders and investors who are on the same quest for financial enlightenment. Until next time, happy trading and wealth building.